I'm an engineer, and what I lacked when I built my company was the business side.
So the MEPC stands for the Maseeh-Entrepreneurship Prize competition. It's an annual business plan competition that we hope will inspire and help our students and faculty bring their wonderful innovative ideas to market.
We believe very much in research and scholarship with consequence. It's really gratifying to see how something that started from nothing all of a sudden is such a wonderful event.
We had over 32 teams apply back in November. We pared it down to 18 that were entered this 4-month-long competition. In the semifinals, we had 16 teams submit business plans, give their pitches. We had a huge variety of ideas. First, of the 18 teams, we had 8 student ideas and 8 or so faculty ideas. And they ranged from websites that students were doing, loyalty programs, environmental improvements, as well as medical devices, as well as wireless technology, semiconductor technology to improve the battery life, secure sharing of photos, a whole host of ranges.
We're developing a radiation shielding and absorbing material for sensitive electronics in spacecraft.
I think my company is important because it makes LED lighting accessible and affordable for the masses.
Our team is called Corn Sweets. We started out trying to make images better for people with low vision or who were visually impaired.
In the semifinals, we had 16 teams submit business plans, give their pitches. We trimmed that down to a further final 7.
7 teams from many different disciplines in engineering, working with business people to come up with great ideas that will be marketed to the mass public.
We were trying to instill the same Darwinian process as they go through in the real world.
Our pitch definitely has gotten a lot better over the last 6 months.
Yeah, I mean, with all the feedback that we get from both the judges and our mentors, it's really helped us refine that pitch to where it is today.
What we had to do is go from a 30-second pitch where they really were quite rough, to be honest, into a highly polished business pitch that explained the pain they were going on, the solution, the customers, the customer traction they were getting, the financials, all cut down into a crisp 7-minute followed by a 5-minute Q&A. And the final 7 competed last week to create the grand prize winner and the Alumni Choice Award winners.
And the winner is Second Spectrum.
We got to judge the 7 finalists for the alumni competition. We got to award 4 top finalists, 2 for $5,000, 1 for $15,000, 1 for $25,000.
The quality of the entries for the 7 finalists was really, really very good.
I thought that the competition was so good that you just don't feel bad if any of them wins. You just feel good for them.
It was a very tough decision because it was just such excellent competition. I mean, everybody could have won, everybody should have won. They're all winners, and you know, it's going to be amazing to see in the future, you know, what all these companies can do.
We'd like to see the great ideas coming out of our students and faculty here make a big impact in the world.
These teams represented a lot of what we would like to be the spirit in the Viterbi School of Engineering.
And you've got sort of from social aspects to sports to medicine to just basic engineering technology. It's a reflection of the diversity of where our people are going.
I think we're seeing more and more how much USC is becoming a center for entrepreneurship and building businesses out of great ideas.
I would definitely recommend this to other engineering students because really there is no way to understand the process of starting a business than talking to people who know business.
The USC network has really been the most critical aspect to our success.
And I think until you get involved in a competition like this, you don't understand how big the USC family really is.
So one of the goals here in the MEPC is to have engineers be the lead of companies. They don't have to just be the developers working for someone else in the company. They're creating these ideas, they're creating these wonderful innovations, and we want to inspire them and empower them to start their own companies.